If you've ever been editing a survey in SurveyMonkey and found an extra page break you don't want, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to remove page breaks in SurveyMonkey quickly and correctly, so you can clean up your survey flow without getting stuck or accidentally losing your questions. This is a simple fix, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing, so I'll walk you through each step clearly from start to finish. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're inside, find the survey you want to edit and click on it to open it. This will take you into the survey builder where you can see all of your questions and page sections. Now scroll through your survey until you reach the section where the page break is located. You want to make sure you're in the exact part of the survey where you want to undo that break, because the action you take next will affect that section. When you've found the page break area, look for the More Actions option. Click on the More Actions to open the editing menu for that page or section. In that menu, you should see an option that says Delete Page. This is the option that lets you remove the page break. Click on Delete Page and SurveyMonkey will give you a prompt with choices about what to do with the questions on that page. One of the options will be Move Questions to the page above. This is usually the safest and most useful choice if you want to remove the break while keeping your questions in the survey. Select Move Questions to the page above so the content from that page gets merged into the section before it. This way, you're not deleting your questions, just removing the separate page structure. After that, click Delete to confirm the change. SurveyMonkey will then remove the page break and move the questions as selected. Once the action is complete, review the survey to make sure everything now appears in the correct order. Check that your questions are where you want them and that the page flow looks right. This is a good final step because it helps you avoid surprises later when respondents take the survey. And that's it. You've now removed the page break in SurveyMonkey. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. And now you can clean up your survey layout much faster. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more SurveyMonkey tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.